McDonald. Bakbante. Si McDonald, RJ.
No, we didn't get any more here than we did. A lot of that grass, nothing.
Yep. Only little bit snow.
Not the same as us, an inch
Yeah.
and a half. And then it melted already. Ah, they got more snow here. Up to the bench, they got a couple inches. We only got one.
It's dark now. 5 o'clock. It's dark. The house. Going to Walmart.
We should go to Sky Trampoline and film that. Alright, get RJ on there.
Sky trampoline.
Yep. For big kids.
Yep.
Oh, there's the Walmart gas station. You never see that thing. It's kind of like hidden.
Here is Walmart.
Oops. Oh, we took my spot.
Have no spot here.
Wonder why it's so crowded. Saturday night.
Yep. People want to. No spot.